Hello, in this video we will learn about arrangement of leaves in a plant. How are leaves arranged in a plant? Now I have three diagrams here, the first one, the second and the third one. In the first diagram I am showing you the arrangement of leaves. How are leaves found on a plant? So we have three stems here. Let us look at diagram number one. Let me rub it off and then let us look at diagram number one. So here's the first diagram. If you look at the central part, this is the stem or the branch of a plant. If you look around, I want you to please focus at the node. So how many nodes do we have? So we got, this is the first node, this is the second node, and this is the third node. Now at each node, if you observe, there are two leaves which are found opposite to each other, right? They are growing from the same node. So two leaves, leaf number one, leaf number one and two. A minute, please. Leaf number one and two. Let me just fix this problem up. Yep, and I'm done. And leaf number one and leaf number two arise from the same node, and they are opposite to each other. And if you look at leaf number 3 and 4, the arrangement is the same. Both the leaves are arising from the same node and are opposite to each other. So such an arrangement of leaf is known as opposite or parallel arrangement. So such an arrangement of leaf is known as opposite or parallel, in which leaves arise from the same node and are found opposite to each other. Let us now look at the second type of arrangement of leaf, and such an arrangement of leaf is called alternate arrangement. Now let us look at the node. If you look at the first node, you can only see one leaf arising from one node. Let us look at leaf number 2. The leaf number 2 arises from another node but is found on the other side of the plant. It is not found on the same side. It is not found here, right? Rather it is found on the opposite side. And if you look at the third plant, if you look at the third leaf, it is found on another node. So there is only one leaf coming out at one node, and the next leaf comes out on the other node, on the next node, and on the other side. So such an arrangement of leaf is known as the alternate arrangement of leaves. And now let us look at the last type of arrangement. This type of arrangement is called whorled arrangement. Whorled arrangement. The pronunciation is whorled arrangement. And what is this arrangement about? Let us look at this. So there is one node, and from one node you will find more than two leaves. So from one node, here in this image I have got 1, 2 and 3 leaves. So 3 leaves are coming out from one node. There are always more than 2 leaves arising from the same node. So either there are 2 leaves, or either there are 3 leaves, or 4 leaves, or 5 leaves, right? So such an arrangement is called a whorled arrangement. Now let us better understand it. Now let us look at the whorled arrangement here. So what I have done is I have taken a top view of a stem. So this is the stem in the center, and if you look at the center of the stem, from the same node I have got 1, 2, 3 and I've got 4 leaves only coming out from one node. Now I hope you've understood the three different types of arrangements of leaves. The three arrangements of leaves are the opposite or parallel arrangement of leaves, in which two leaves arise from the same node but are found opposite to each other. The second type of arrangement of leaves is called alternate arrangement, in which each node gives rise to only one leaf and the other leaf is found in the other node on the other side of the stem or the branch. And the third type of arrangement is called the whorled arrangement, in which there are more than two leaves found on the same node. There can be 3 or 4 or 5 different leaves arising from the same node. I hope you've understood this. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.